We're just walking on our way to Notre Dame now, and how cool is this wee fountain we've just come across? Then there's this amazing building in the background. Not entirely sure what it is, so we're just going to go across the road and see if we can get a wee bit of information on it. So guys, a wee pro tip, if any of you have got Google Translate, you can go into the camera, take a picture of this sign here, highlight it as Natalie's just doing now, and it should tell us exactly what this building is.
Something to do with Austria.
Alright.
The Spanish family.
No.
I still don't know what it is.
We still don't know what it is.
I think it's the Museum of the Armed Forces.
Just to the side of the building here, they've got this amazing sundial on the wall. Just zoom in and give you a better look. How cool is that? Thought this was pretty cool. We just got this like concrete jungle just around us, and look, just right here, nature's taking back over. It looks so weird, doesn't it? How amazing is this, guys? Look at the size of this building. Get some of the detail as well in there.
I think it's a university theatre.
So this building's the Pantheon, and I was just having a wee look at some of the details underneath here, so I wanted to just show you all the great work. That's unbelievable. We're not actually going to go in here today because we've got a bus tour and a boat tour booked. And then peekaboo, there's Eiffel Tower right through there. We're not going to go back to the Eiffel Tower now because we didn't really like it, if we're honest. We thought for the money it was a wee bit expensive. We just thought we'd pop by Notre Dame just to see the damage that's been done. I feel so sad. It's crazy. I'm glad we managed to get to see it, and we'll definitely be back once it's all done up again as well, but there's just so much going. The roof's just away. Pretty cool that just next to the water, the wee waterway here, they've got benches now. You can just come and sit and have your lunch and stuff. Just cutting through one of the squares to go and get a wee bite to eat, and we come across this building. Look at the size of it. So amazing. And it's got hundreds of like wee statues and all that. It's got the, if you can see them up the top, the knights and their armour. Unbelievable. Last time we were here, we came here for something to eat because it's gluten free for Natalie, called Yummy and Guilt Free, and we'll just come back to get a wee croque monsieur. So we've just went and got our Yummy and Guilt Free, and check out the wee boxes, they're pretty cool. Now we got these last time, so we know they taste amazing anyway, but we're just going to show you them. How cool does that look? Check out all these cows. And then we've got these wee gnomes sticking up the fingers. What's that all about? These are cool wee plant pots, aren't they?
I do like them.
Pretty groovy. I don't know what the hell these wee things are. Look at all these crazy chocolate bars. Look at that.
What I'm concerned with is why this isn't melting in this heat. It's roasting in here.
It is roasting in here, but they've got some funky covers in there on the chocolate bars. So I know we've just went and been and had one of these, but they're that good we went back and got another one. I get salted caramel, and Natalie obviously couldn't wait and she got vanilla.
They are really good though, like I love them so much.
This just shows you how crazy these people are here. Look at this, they're all out in the middle of the road, right in the middle of the road, to get a picture taken in front of that Arc de Triomphe. Insane. Look, I mean they're going to get ran down. Ah! Just for a picture.
Where they were standing just in the back.
it's a busy day today at the Eiffel Tower. We're just actually heading down to get on our boat tour today. But look how many people are here, it's crazy. Like I said earlier, we're not actually going to do the Eiffel Tower. We done it last time and we weren't really that impressed. So, second time here, and there's another wedding going on. Look at this big cracking guy, the statue. So just before the boat tour, we've went and got ourselves an ice cream and a slushie. Look at the size of my ice cream cone.
That's huge.
It's crazy.
This is €5 for this. This is so big.
It's brilliant. Natalie got apple. I've already started eating some of my ice cream, as you can see. Alright guys, so that's us now, just came on the boat, and as you can see, we're outside all ourselves. Everybody's went upstairs, we've stayed downstairs. It's definitely the best option.
It's so busy, like a lot of people just come up and follow everybody, but it's just this down here and it's quiet, there's nobody else here.
Exactly.
A lot of you have been telling us to go on this river tour for so long, so we might as well give it a bash.
As we said, everybody's went upstairs and we just stayed here, and as you can see, there's nobody on with us. Look at the view we've got, amazing. Just before we set off, I wanted to show you this wee tiny car. How cute is that? This is just to show you on one of the other boats how busy it is up the top compared to down the bottom. Although our one, as you can see, there's nobody down here with us. This one's sort of the same. Did you guys know that boats have wing mirrors? I didn't. Aye?
Yes, big boats.
Alright, I didn't know they had wing mirrors. Well, there you go. Fun fact for today. We've just left, we're off. Look at it, crazy here, man. I hope I'm actually alright on the boat today. Usually I'm a wee bit dodgy when it comes to boats, but as long as I'm on deck like this, I think my seasickness will go away. Just at the bottom of this bridge here, we get this cracking statue, this guy. How cool is he? Then we get these barges all along here that look as if they're like, they don't move actually. We've got like a restaurant here, and look what's just on the edge here. It's a raptor or a T-Rex, and then just up above there you've got this glass dome that you can sit in, maybe have something to eat, a couple of drinks and stuff. That's a pretty cool looking restaurant, isn't it? Just sitting there having your dinner. The bridges are all pretty cool as well. They're very like Gothic style, and then they've got all of these cool statues on them as well. This bridge is one of my favourites because, as you can see up the top here, they've got the gold statues, and then just along here on the edge of the bridge it's all painted gold as well, and then this bit here is brilliant, the gold, and it's sort of brown. How amazing is this wee bit? You can come down this bridge here and you're basically onto this wee island, and it's like as if you're in the middle of the sea. How cool is that? Like these people at the end, you can just sit there chilling out, watching all the boats go past. That's brilliant. Me and Natalie think we're going to move here because how beautiful are these houses? Absolutely outstanding.
Yeah, one near the top of the veranda.
Aye, But what we're going to go for is like something like this one up here, and then we can literally just come out in the wee veranda and just sit and look over the water. Lovely. Right, so I hope you can see this alright in camera. See this bridge? If you look at the top, there's people walking on it just like a normal bridge, but see below it, there's actually a bit where you can walk as well. It's stairs. I don't really understand it, but I think it looks pretty cool. Can you see it okay? Might be able to see better when we're going under here. It's the stairs on the underside there. So you can walk underneath the bridge or on top of the bridge.